Yesterday class we have studied about the encoders. So in this class we study about the priority encoder. So I just review the yesterday class what we have studied. So in the encoder, what do you mean by an encoder? Encoder which codes the decimal data into binary output. So if you are having a decimal input, say if you are having A9, A0 to A9 as a decimal input, and if any one of the input is high, so A0 is higher, then corresponding to that we are having the binary, that is B0, B1, B2 and B3. So it is given like this: B3, B2, B1, B0, B0. Fine. 1 minute, I will write down the truth table. Fine. B3, B2, B1, B0. Okay. Now what happens here is, if you are giving 0 0, then all the outputs will be 0 0. If this input is higher, if this A9 is higher here, say A9 is higher and all the inputs are lower, it's active high, then what will be the output? Output will be 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. So this is the principle of encoding. So here we are encoding the decimal to binary, decimal to binary. So now we need to see if we are having now we are seeing about the priority encoder. That is priority. This is normal principle of encoding. Encoding means coding the decimal value or any hexagonal hexadecimal value, octave value into the binary value. If you are giving any decimal, hexadecimal, any input that is being coded to binary value, that we call as the encoding. Okay, fine. Next we are seeing the priority encoder. The priority encoder, it gives more priority to a specific input. That input will be the highest, then the most significant bit. Say in this one we can say the highest priority is given to A9 input, and the next highest priority is given to the A8 input, and the next highest priority is given to the A7 input, and next highest priority is given to the A5, A6 input, and like that it goes to the A0 inputs, and depending upon that one we are executing the we are getting the results in the output. So once again I will tell you, the encoders are used to translate the rotatory or linear motion into digital signal. The difference between decoder and encoder is that decoder has a binary code input while encoder has binary code as output. So this is the main difference between the decoder and encoder. Decoder is having the binary input and that is being decoded to the decimal, hexadecimal, like that. But encoder will be having decimal input and it is having the output of binary that converts the analog signal into the digital signal such as BCD code. So the analog signal may be the active signal that is being converted into the digital signal. So digital, we know the entire digital signals are being of binary values are called as the digital signal, that is 0 1. It is the computer. So in the computer we are having the binary language in 0 1. That is the only input, that is the one, that is the low and higher stages. So like that it converts any analog input to the digital output. So that is being performed by the encoder. So decoder, what it does, reverse of the encoder, that is digital input is being converted into the analog output. Okay, so the based upon the encoders we are having the priority encoder, we are having decimal to BCD encoder we are having. So we just study these two encoder here. In this class we study about this two encoder, that is priority encoder and decimal to BCD encoder. So first we study about the priority encoder.